This video is on dipole moments. Dipole moments are the culmination of the shape and polarity of all the single bonds in a molecule to yield a overall polarity of a molecule. So in other words, each bond polarity is a mathematical vector, and when you combine all those vectors, you usually end up with directionality, and that is the dipole moment. If your combined vectors have directionality, i.e. they sum up to give you an arrow in a certain direction, we would say that the molecule itself is polar. Whilst if the vectors cancel out, we would say that the molecule is nonpolar, as there is no directionality in the sum of the vectors. Here are some practice problems to figure out whether these compounds are polar or nonpolar. Pause now, and here are the answers.